Assalamualaikum guys, what's up? It's me again, Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Today's going to be a bit different. Usually you guys, this is going to be my first official makeup tutorial. Now whatever I'm using today, I'm going to make sure that I put it in the description down below so you guys can see everything that I'm putting on my face. Today I'm going to be doing a very simple and easy everyday look, which you guys can do within like 5 to 6 minutes. And we're going to be using some high-end products. We're also going to be using some drugstore products. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I went ahead and I already moisturized my face and I primed it already. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go in with our Too Faced Born This Way. My shade is neutral beige, but you guys may be different. But for my skin tone, this is perfect. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to use 1 pump of that. So let me get it on my... 1 pump will take you a far way, so you don't need to put 2 unless you're trying to get more full coverage. But this one has full coverage, and I just use my hand to make the dots. So let's go ahead and put that all over. If I need more, I can always add, but I usually just need 1 pump. Right now I'm just having a lot of breakouts. And we're just gonna take our beauty blender and we're just gonna blend all of that in. Do is we're going to go in with our contour. We're going to be using the NYX Wonder Stick. This stick is very good. Now it has highlighter and contouring, but I only use the contouring from this kit. So we're going to go ahead and contour our nose and our cheeks. You can contour your forehead as well. I don't do it too much because I have a very small forehead. So I don't contour my forehead, but if you guys want to add a little bit, you guys can go ahead and do so. We're just gonna go ahead and blend that in as well. And we're gonna add in our under eye eraser corrector, which is a concealer, you can use it as. So you're gonna put it under your eye. So the one I'm using is the one from Maybelline, Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take our beauty blender and we're gonna go ahead and next thing we're gonna go ahead and use is our Hoola bronzer. This is a really cute small travel size. I don't like to use the big ones for some reason. I like to keep the small ones, so if I need to go to a party or something, I can just pop this in my purse and just take it out when I need it. And we're gonna go ahead and use this brush to like get the outer corners of her face. You don't need too much. I don't like to bronze too much. So we're gonna go ahead and put that down. The next item we're gonna go to is our eyeshadow palette. So the one I'm using today is gonna be only 1 palette, and this is called the Anastasia Modern Renaissance. This is a very popular, I'm pretty sure my girls are probably already have their hands on this beautiful palette. It has beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the link down below. So if you guys do wanna check out your Anastasia palette and you guys wanna get one for yourself, go ahead and check the description down below. I'll have a link there in the bottom. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use our first color, which is gonna be this one right over here. That's gonna be the base color, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead, we're gonna add that in to, okay? gonna just add a little bit more to both of the eyes. I like to do both eyes at the same time so I can make sure if there's something wrong with one, I can just fix it. Okay, and this is an everyday look, so we're not gonna keep it too heavy. Okay, the next color we're gonna go ahead and use is that burnt orange, which is right next to it. That one right over there. And this is gonna go right on your crease. You're gonna use that same brush. Okay. The next color I'm gonna use is the one right above it, which is this one right over here. We're gonna take the smaller brush and we're gonna go ahead and add it right in the corner. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing with the other eye. And the reason next we're gonna do is we're gonna take our blending brush and we're gonna just blend in those two colors. So next thing we're gonna do is you guys wanna add a bit of glitter and a bit of sparkle. This one is very nice. It's the Stila and it's in Kitten around the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, there we go. You guys can add a little bit more if you guys do prefer. But I don't want too much glitter on an everyday use, so I'm just gonna put it on the inner corner of my eye. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna go ahead and do is add on our mascara and our eyeliner. So I'm gonna go in with our eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one off camera and I'll be right back. Eyeliner that I did wing eyeliner on both of the eyes. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with mascara. I'm using the Lancome one. You guys can use any mascara you guys have. They all do the same thing. I usually don't use mascara too much because I either have eyelash extensions in or I have falsies on. So today I don't have it on, so I'm gonna go ahead and just add. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna just set everything in with our setting powder. You guys can use any setting powder. I'm using the Tarte Smooth Operator. Alright guys, and last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use our final product, which is gonna be the Fenty Beauty lipstick. I love this color, honestly. It's like a very nice matte red. I am a girl that loves to wear red. It doesn't matter what day it is. Now this one is very bright. Okay, and just before we go, you guys must use your makeup setting spray, which is on, and you're gonna go ahead and take your beauty blender. This is a secret, guys, and just press that in your skin. Okay, and the weird and funny thing is I actually like to add my highlighter towards the end after I set my makeup. So you guys can go ahead and add a little bit of highlight around your cheekbone. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Trio palette, which has all three colors. And we're going to go ahead and we're just going to put a little bit right over here. All right, there we go. All right guys, and there it is. That is your finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And if you guys do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions or any suggestions or any recommendations, please leave them in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for your love and support. Bye, and see you next time. Allah Hafiz.